Welcome to the BeWitchy 100 Spells in 100 Days series. This is day number 59. This spell is called the Dream Spell. In a bowl, add star anise by 5 pieces, 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of salt and 1 of sugar. As you sprinkle the salt and sugar over the top of the star anise with your fingers, and yes, you must use your fingers, visualize and recite the words, "By the energy and power of my protectors, may nightmares be no more. May I have the sweetest of dreams come true." That's correct. This spell not only doubles as a dream and nightmare spell, but also any wishes that you desire, this spell will help them come true. So mote it be.